Okay, what's up, mga bossing? Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. This time, we're going to unbox another cool toys from the Super Robot Chogokin toy line from Bandai. And this one is the second toys that I will unbox. And I'm excited to share it to you guys. The GaoFighGar, or the KingofBraves, which is also a version of GaoGaiGar. So this one is quite like a lot of versions going on mostly on the SOC. But this is the SRC version, the Super Robot Chogokin. And because I don't usually unbox the SRC version, that's why I'm so excited to share it to you guys. So let's go, mga bossing. Let's go. Let's unbox. Okay, here we go. The KingofBraves, GaoFighGar. So this one, as you know, we keep on doing some like the Braves franchise. So this one is the KingofBraves, and GaoFighGar is like they say is the updated version of GaoGaiGar, and this one is the final fusion from the mechanoid Gaopar and Gao machines, liner Gao, drill Gao, steel Gao. So by combining with the Braves robot Goldimugs, GaoFighGar is capable of building the powerful Gold Lion Hammer. So okay, so if you have those what do you call it, the Soul of Chogokin extra weapons, you can find those Gold John Hammer. Okay, let's take out this robot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I believe that's a Soul of Chogokin version of this one. There's a lot of Braves also releases there. So this one, nothing else. We got some. Okay, let's check out first the manual. Okay, look at that. So we got like a nice wings here, like the stealth fighter ship. Okay, so far looking good. We got a lot of touchable hands, set of hands here. And of course, nothing else, no more. So let's check out the first tray. Look at that. So we got 2, 4, 6. So this is like how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of hands, including the ones that's already attached, the figures. So we got extra tip of wings here, some drill knee. This looks different from the one that's also attached. Yeah, so I think this is the not 100%, but I believe this is the Protect Wall PET parts. Yeah, so this one is really like a shield, right? So I think it's something that's protect, right? So show it to you guys. So let's see. Yeah, that was pretty wide. So this is plastic, and then we got the steel Gao 2 here. So we got some special connector here. So there's a tiny part that we should be careful. I don't know where that's come from, but they show up. So okay, so you can also do these things here. Okay, yeah, so you can also do this. Oops, kinda. I don't know, this one is kind of tough. Yeah, there you go. Now you unlock it. So just be careful on that. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so I think you need to pull it down here and then swing it there. Okay. Okay, there you go. Something cool. Right, so you can replace this with this tip. And of course, okay, we got these phantom rings. So we got two sets of that, left and right. So there's a way to do it. There's different holes here. And as always, there's an extra attachment for the display kit. So you can, I think you can buy it separately. So you can display the Super Robot Chogokin toys. And okay, what else do we have here? Yeah, so this, always forgot what's this. What they call this? Well, it's something you put on the forehead of the helmet parts. Yeah, so tiny. You may lose it. So careful on that one. And some extra set of drill. This on that one, that looks different. So yeah, pretty plastic. That's pretty nice. Okay. Go. And this part. It's a transparent green, so can also do that. Can replace this. Okay, just purpose to show it to you guys. It's better to do it this way, and then there you go. Pretty neat, right? Okay, what else do we have here? Okay, just a set of hands. So just open our open hands. A little bit open. Nice. And this one, like holding a weapon. This one like a sign, something. So there's also a way here to do the, yeah, I think this, what do you call it, like a shaking hands. I think they call it that way. Yeah, like it. And this one is the heaven and hell hand parts, like that. Oh, I think this is the Genesic GaoGaiGar shaking hands part. So I think, yeah, so extra for GaoGaiGar if you have the figure of that robot. And then of course the GaoFighGar. And oops, something that's here. Okay, I guess it's easy to put it back. There you go. So this one is also pretty heavy. Pretty nice content of diecast here, or metal things. Yeah. Yeah, I believe most of the legs is diecast, except this can easily replace that. Okay, so before we start the articulation, let's check out the height. So another 6 inches toys here, right? Nice. So okay, so I think this is the only diecast parts. And this one did not work. It's not yeah, it's not rolling. Okay. Okay, so just like a one articulation knee here. This one you can move a little bit of that. And no, there's no way you can do the split. So just that it. Maybe you can, yeah, you can also do that. Okay, that's pretty nice. And the skirt can, yeah, also do that. This one. So that's for the torso. There's like a ball joint there. So you can do 360. And then this one. Yeah. Do that. Same on the other side, of course. The head. The nuts. And twist it around. So basically you can do a lot of pose here. It's really cool. Then you can attach this here if you want. Okay, there you go. Okay, just be careful on what you're pushing. Okay, so that's nice. And of course you can replace this, right? So there's a green and red, like stone stir, I guess. And there you go. How cool is that toys, right? So I'm sure you're gonna love it, right, guys, if you're into robot. And because this is a Chogokin and there's a diecast here, that makes it really absolutely cool toys to collect. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy playing this or display it on your shelvings, display things. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, and all the colors and the paint job is really fine details. Look at that, right? Even the head. So that's pretty cool. So I hope, and I'm not too sure though, but I think they stopped producing any more releases of this Super Robot Chogokin. So I hope they start again and release more toys. Okay, there you go, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. So why don't you give me a thumbs up? Click that thumbs up icon there and smash the subscribe buttons as always. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom. Bye!